Good day, sir, madam. My name is Lenly Alioso. I'm 34 years old. I'm a single mom with blessed two children. I'm a high school graduate. I work as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia with 2 years. From 2019 to 2021, I served one mother and five adults. In Qatar, 2 years. From 2023 to 2025, I serve one couple with three kids. My main duties are taking care of the kids, cleaning the house, and cooking. Sir, Madam, I'm a hardworking, responsible, honest, and fast learner. Sir, Madam, thank you in advance. If you hired me, I promise I will do my best to serve your family and I will finish my 2 years contract. Thank you, Sir, Madam.